thing has paint. I mean, it looks absolutely fantastic. It looks so much better than I ever could have imagined it. The Miller Ford Blue that I picked for it definitely works out fine. As you can see, the welder contrasts really nicely. The shelf is obviously a perfect size. Everything about this thing is great. The only real complaint I have about this cart is that it's a little top heavy, but I think I can fix that by adding some more weight to the bottom shelf down there. And that's really the only issue I have with this thing, though. Fits my argon bottle, fits my welder. I'm happy. This is going to be my welder's new home from now on. I don't have anything to store the cables on, but that's just a small consequence. I can keep my cables somewhere else. But this is going to, from now on, be my welder's new home. I can wheel it easily around the shop, as you can see. Don't want to wheel it around too far. The paint still needs to dry a little bit more, but I just set it up and it should be dry within tomorrow or something. So, anyways, make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this. This is the end of the build series. I really had a lot of fun doing it. I learned a lot, and I'm also glad I got to make some more content for you guys. So anyways, this is my goodbye. My name is Sub250. See you guys in the next video.